So let us begin with a little bit on music theory. So काफी लोगों के मन में डाउट रहता है कि हम म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाना सीख रहे हैं तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे सीखना चाहिए. So it's very important to understand the basics first. So let's understand what music theory, just the basic. So हमारे पास में जो notes हैं वो हैं C. I'll take a tab. D, E, G, A, and B. These are the notes in music. Now we also have what we call as half notes. So including that, the entire thing becomes C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G, oh, G sharp, A, A sharp, B, and back to C again. These are all the notes which are played. So if you count in total, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. हिंदी में जो हम बोलते हैं सात सुर वो होते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. तो ये सात सुर यही है और ये सारे नोटेशंस हैं. सो अगर मैं let's open up a piano photograph to understand what we are talking about. Okay, so let's talk about this. जैसे आप फोटो देख सकते हैं. Wherever you see something like this is nothing but and back to C again. And this goes on and on and on and on. It doesn't matter if the keyboard is 64 keys or maybe 81 keys or maybe just a 12 key keyboard. This is the repetitive sequence that we say. So this is C, this is C sharp, this is D, this is D sharp. So wherever you see two black lines on a keyboard, the key before that is C. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and again back to C, C, C sharp, D, D sharp. All the keyboard will start from C for sure. When we talk about chords, combination of, I would say, three or more notes that make a harmonized sound is called chord. So, chord is basically of two types: a major chord, and a minor chord. अभी क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ बेसिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, I will not go into what are called as suspended chords or diminished chords. उनकी हम बात नहीं करेंगे. That is not needed for basics to be understood. अभी what major chord is a combination of notes with 3:2 step count. Half notes. A combination of notes with 2:3 step counts. Now what this means is, if I have to play C chord, it would be C plus, we count C sharp, D, D sharp. We leave C sharp, D, D sharp because it's three steps. So three steps will count three C sharp, D, D sharp, and the next note would be E, then plus. Now I have to skip two notes, F and F sharp. I land on G. So if you see this, C is the chord I want to make. I will skip C sharp, D, D sharp. I will press E. Then I'll leave F, F sharp, and I'll press G. So C, E, G notes would make C chord. This is true for all the chords, all the major chords. So now you can make any chord, any major chord with this. For example, if I have to play E major, E major would be, I skip 3, F, F sharp, G. I'll skip, I'll press G sharp, and then I'll skip 2, A sharp, I'll press B. So E is E, G sharp, and B. This is on piano. This is true for all the major chords. C minor, this is not like with the small m after that. C minor chord, just for an example, would be C plus. I need to skip two steps, as I told here. Two steps and then three steps. So C के बाद में पहले two steps छोड़ेंगे तो C sharp और D छोड़ा, D sharp पकड़ा, and then इसके बाद तीन छोड़ेंगे E, F, F sharp छोड़ा तो G पकड़ा. So C, D sharp and G. C, D sharp and G. If you notice, this would make C minor, C minor chord. And this holds true for all the minor chords. तो अभी के लिए इतना ही। 10 मिनट की वीडियो में हम इतना ही कवर कर सकते हैं। We'll come back with a lesson on guitar, chords, and the progressions, the family of chords, obviously.